Somebody sent me. Are you having fun? That good stuff? Somewhere. And it's restock day. You gotta help me unload these. Jason's headed down south with a load of straw, and Roxy and I are gonna go put out bull tubs and unload feed, aren't we? You're a good girl. And go check cows. All right, sit down. My day has kind of been chaotic, needless to say. It's a little bit busy, but it is what it is. And so I'm gonna go do a few more things, and then I'll be back for them when they get home, so we can go get. So not sure how much talking I'm gonna do the rest of the afternoon, more or less just because I've got a lot on my plate. I need to fill the water tote. I need to unload this feed, I need to put out these tubs, and I want to ride Shiloh over and check cows. So just kind of see how that process is for me, I guess. That's kind of my thought process. I need to do several things, so just hold tight. I'm gonna go ahead and let her eat while I move the skid loader and stuff around. Clearly she pooped in her water bucket, so we'll have to dump that and reassess the water situation. I'll go fill that tote real quick. In life of farming, we never have a project completely done, right, before we actually use it. So there's not actually running water. So I have to go down to the pump house and fill the water tote. But working chute is nice. Not gonna complain that there's hay in the barn, because that means money in the bank. So, also I'm gonna clean out these. I don't know if I'll get that done today or if it'll be tomorrow. These are kind of alfalfa bales that we picked up out of the field that were a little bit wet, and I'm not going to feed them to the horses, so I will actually just be feeding them back to the bulls. So let's go move the skid loader. And actually it's turning out to be a really nice day. I could probably lose this hoodie, to be honest. So we're gonna go move the skid, take it down, start watering the tote, then we'll pull the truck in and I will take care of the bulls, getting those tubs unloaded. Leave you to fill and go unload this. So one of the really nice things about the way we built our alley was we can do it technically by ourselves. Like when we come through these gates that I can enter in and shut behind me the gate. I'll show you. Like I'm in through this one. And I'm gonna shut the gate behind me here. Just like this. Now I'm gonna go open that gate here. Hi, Red. Hey, buddy. Open this gate. Come on, Red. Get out of the way, dude. Come on, hon. Come on. Good boy. Get out of the way. Good boy. And I will lock this gate up, just like that, you know. Drive in. And nobody escapes. Okay, so these are purina stress tubs. They're a supplement feed for our beef cattle, whether they're on pasture or in feedlot. And right now, they're technically dry lot cattle. They're just bulls that we pulled off the pasture. So this is cooked a little bit different. They can't go in like, it's a lick tub. It's a true lick tub. So it's gonna take them a little bit of time. Come on, Red. Hurry, buddy. And I'm gonna put 2 of them out. I'm gonna go ahead and put both of them out just so they're not fighting over. Come on, Red. Hurry up, buddy. Hurry. He spent some time with me, so he knows. Good boy. That good stuff? Needed that, didn't you? One of the main reasons we went this Hereford route was they are a lot more docile. These are bulls, guys. I'm out here by myself with the dog, but these guys, you know, they're not, I wouldn't ever tell somebody to come out here and mess with them. Because they are animals. They can't tell you, hey, you're being a butthole, leave me alone. But we try very hard to raise calm livestock. Like, our kids are out here with us. I'm sitting on the tailgate, okay? I'm sitting on the tailgate. So I have protection. But King's a little bit more skittish. But Red spent some time with me. You know, I had the doctor's foot quite a bit. So, yes. We got him as a 2-for-1 deal out of the old mama last year at the Central States Hereford sale, which is coming up, I think it's November 4th for this year. Red likes to be petted. Alright, I got other stuff to do, kids. I'll put another one out. I'm gonna switch from one pair of Ariats to my Old Faithful. These are actually, they're old. I don't even know if they make this style anymore. I have used these for so long. Like, they were originally my like work boots, and then as soon as they become a certain where I can't oh, sorry, I got, hold on a second. As soon as they get to a point where I can't wear them to work in, aka they start getting a little bit less waterproof, then I generally make them my riding boots, because they're still good. I just don't want to be traveling through mud. So I did go to a different style. These are actually like Vintech, like actual work boots. Awesome sole, but we're gonna go ride. I've already saddled her. I probably should have taken you guys for that, but I didn't know how she'd be, and I'm out of breath just throwing the saddle on. These rope saddles are just, they're very heavy. They're just heavy. But you ready? We'll go turn off the water tank, and then we'll go. We'll go. was beginning to wonder where they were at. Hi, girls. No, Rox. Come here. Roxy. Come on. We just wanted to check on them. So they're all right. They're just snoozing in the afternoon sun. It's so pretty down here. Actually, this is one of our hayfields. We chose not to mow it a second time and utilize it. Actually, maybe we did mow this one second time. I think we did mow this one a second time. And then the cows are gonna graze it. So yes, we did pull hay off this twice. And then now the cows are just gonna graze it a little bit and buy us a little bit of time before we start feeding these girls silage too. I'm gonna go see the rest of the girls. They're on the other side of this tree line. Which, if you guys have been with us long enough, know that there are several hundred acres around here that is all accessible by horse or walking or four-wheeler. You know, you can get to it all pretty quickly and easily. The downside with the horses and even like the four-wheelers is you got to open and go through gates. And sometimes that's a real pain, especially on the horse, because they can be a little bit more temperamental than, say, a four-wheeler. Hello, ladies. I wonder if this gate's open. Ooh, I can't remember if it's shut. Yeah, it's shut. Ooh. But this is my favorite pastime. Ooh. I used to love being able to run barrels and go racing all the time, but now, honestly, this is the best. Ooh, Shayla. She's not all happy about it, but I love it. She actually I think she just wants to work, and I don't want her to work today, which partially my fault because I put spurs on and her running bit. But I knew she'd actually like this bit and not fight me. So, yeah. Just gonna keep walking. And actually, it's kind of been brush hogged a little bit. The guys will probably start going hunting, and then I'll have to kind of watch when I actually am out and about, but because I don't ever want to disturb their hunting. However, the deer are so used to the cows being down here that me riding, I just don't want to accidentally, pop an arrow somewhere. And it's really too warm for me to hunt. I like those cool, like 30-degree mornings. That's when I like to hunt anyway. And we just really haven't had those cool, brisk mornings yet that I prefer. I don't know if we can get through here or not, Shiloh. We put fence up through here, and I don't know if the trail is blocked or not. We'll just see. It's been a while since I've been down here. Shiloh, I don't think we can cross that very easily. I mean, you could, but I can't. So let's just go back around, and we'll just go up the hill. So you guys kind of see us generally take. But all this fence looks good. We kind of rode around the other day, Jason and I did, checking most of the fence lines. This is not a property we own, we rent it. We have a really good working relationship with most of our renters, or landlords. We are the renter. They're the landlords. So, we're very blessed and thankful for so many reasons. I don't know if you guys can see the leaves falling through the air. This is the best feeling. Best feeling. I went up and talked to Kurt for just a few minutes. They were up there working in their shop, so I walked up there and we'll go check one more paddock and just make sure it's okay. She knows the way. She really needs to be rode. Need a drink? Hey. No? Okay. Take it back. I have to go over here though, because the gate's up there. Easy. Do you think you're a bit hungry? Hold on, babies. I gotta wait for a gate, kid. Hold on. I don't think you guys will stay for me to come in there by myself. Keaton's coming. They're just a little bit hungry. I'm just putting out hay for the arena calves. Yes, that's some good sets of kids right there. Some of the best calves we've ever produced, to be honest. So happy with how this group turned out. These are all out of our 2 red Hereford bulls, 3 red Hereford bulls that we had. I'm excited to see what we get coming into winter. There's my gate kid. He's coming. He had to do 2 jobs today. Yeah. Had to get Jalen situated up there to do my stuff in the horse barn. And then run back and help his mama. I think they're a little bit hungry. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you having fun, Daddy?
Oh,
Yeah.
we're leaving our towel.
Did you get them all watered?
What?
Did you get them all watered?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you ready to go ride horsies? Check cows? Check cows?
Yeah.
All right, well, Hoss, come on. All right, take it.
To put this. Wait, I didn't even have to drive back forward to back it up.
Good job.
Even so Dad was coming up with the skid loader, like he was right in front of me, and I had to. He didn't even. Turning.
Yeah.
Curve back there, and I was driving, and I had just enough time to pull in there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I didn't even crash.
Okay, good. Are you driving Grandma's wheels?
What?
Are you driving Grandma's wheels? Are you having fun?
No.
You're not having fun riding?
I am.
He's just a big boy, isn't he? He's just playing in the water tank. All right, y'all ready? All right, come on, kids. Come on, Jalen, turn it this way. It is pretty, isn't it? I'm down another horse. I'm pretty sure you're the pony thief. Who are you riding today? Leo?
Yeah.
Leo. Ah, he's the colt that I got for my birthday and raised. So. when your horse is bigger than you. Good morning, babies. No replies? No good mornings back? Children. Me, BB. Hi. Mom, just feed me. You guys, it's delivery day, apparently. You guys want to open the boxes? It's always curious to me when somebody sends something that I don't know what's in the box. Actually, I have boxes at home too. You guys, this is golden. The other day on Instagram, I think I talked about needing poop buckets. I was just gonna use the purina tubs that we have laying around. Somebody sent me poop buckets. Whoever did, thank you. These will go very handy at the farm. Okay, girlfriend. We need to finish unloading our feed too. And we're gonna take our poop buckets. You guys, this is literally the most awesome, and thank you to whoever sent them. It warmed my heart this morning. It's just a little reminder that the little things in life that, you know, maybe somebody takes that for granted, but it truly made my day. It made my day. Shiloh, look what we got. Leo! My partner in crime is not here. She had to go to school today. So, I'll probably just ride Shiloh, and then I might work with Leo. I got to water the bulls, so let's get to it. I think I have a hoodie in the skid loader. I hope that's where it's at then, because I can't remember where I put it. But I have forgotten both pairs of boots over here. Like, my tack room needs to be enclosed and cleaned, and I think I'm going to spend some time over here. I'm also going to get these bales out of the way, these alfalfa bales that are not very good, so I'm going to put them out for the bulls as well, and just kind of do some little bit of maintenance over here. Jason has the whole barn full. So we're going to work, hopefully, in the coming future, getting the tack room, the loft, and the office done. You guys got flies. I'll be right back. I'll spray y'all down. don't know if you guys can see them. Hold on, Shiloh. Whoa. Ugh, I took you out too far. There is a pair of eagles. We're gonna fly, or they were flying right over us. They sat down, so we'll see if they'll go when we move under them or not. Ooh. Ooh. See them? They're so big. Ooh. Ooh. Shiloh doesn't like them. There's a ton of grass that the girls haven't even found yet. So there's a lot of forage they can utilize through here. Glad I turned the fence off there, Shiloh. You gonna try to go through that? Sure hope not. I know. You're ready to go. Easy, easy. Roxy's blowing through the fence. Doesn't help. Whoa. Where's the rest of y'all friends? Are you all up there? Oh yeah, I would say everybody's there between the two, and they're in the woods, so we'll just let them be. Just let y'all be. Happy grazing, kids. Happy grazing. Are you learning how to be a model citizen? She's like, I really would like to ride, Mom. This is walking, it's for the birds. We're a little bit out of shape, aren't we, Shiloh? Although I think you're sweating more than I am. Yes, it's a bit hot.